Walter Scott, Week in Review number 141. This week at Walter Scott, we're really seeing the forest come alive again. From ants crawling around to the foliage fully extending on our trees. The leaves are out on the various plants in the understory, and everything is coming to life. We had a plethora of rain this week, over 3.5 inches cumulatively, that came down softly at first and then torrentially later on. We didn't have any damage to our buildings, though it did challenge our sump pumps a little bit. The lake level rose with this rain, as you might expect, but it still functioned as it should, draining away and not causing any issues. Afterwards, the flowers and greenery were out in full supply, as well as a red maple tree that was dropped off by some of our friends to be planted on the grounds. We took some time this week to also just walk out in nature, to see what God's creation is doing and the ways that it relates to us. And while this was happening, we're grateful from our friends from KCH Mechanical to work on installing our next geothermal unit in our main building. That installation is underway right now and will be done by next week. Since you've stuck around this long, enjoy the goats and care gently for God's creation.